Welcome to True Projects. In this video, we are going to discuss about the project which is blockchain-based event detection and trust verification using natural language processing and machine learning. So before getting into the execution, first let's understand what is the project about. So in this project, we are going to address the issue of automatically detecting and verifying events. So particularly in this project, we are detecting natural disasters by using some social media posts. And how do we detect these natural disasters? For that, we have employed NLP, that is natural language processing, and machine learning, so that they can quickly and accurately identify and verify relevant events. And this aids in timely responses by emergency teams. And for detecting these events, traditionally manual classification, rule based systems, and centralized servers were used. So, coming to this manual classification techniques were time consuming and they also lack scalability. Coming to these rule-based systems, they use specific keywords or patterns, but they overlook the nuanced events. And coming to the centralized servers, so these centralized servers possess the vulnerabilities such as they may get crashed, hacked, or they compromise data integrity and serve disruptions. So to overcome all these limitations, in this project, we are incorporating natural language processing and machine learning techniques. Natural language processing, that is NLP, it analyzes the text, that is the social media post, and ML classifies the post. And also, we have employed blockchain technology in this project. And this blockchain technology, it creates the decentralized application, that is decentralized server for users post storage. And smart contracts, it facilitates secure interactions, which streamlines the events detection and protects the data in tamper-proof manner. So in this project, we have employed natural language processing and machine learning techniques. And also we have used blockchain technology in this project. So the main aim of the project is to enhance the event detection from social media posts by automating classification and integrating blockchain technology for secure data storage. And this project aims to facilitate timely detection of events, particularly natural disasters, for emergency relief teams. And additionally, we aim to establish tamper proof and reliable storage for user posts, reducing risk associated with the centralized servers and ensure the data integrity. And this comprehensive approach enhances the event detection efficiency while mitigating potential vulnerabilities in the data storage systems by using the blockchain technique. Here in this project, we are specifically leveraging the Ethereum blockchain. Moving on, in this project, we have employed Ganache. Ganache, it is a personal Ethereum blockchain for the developers, which allows them to deploy contracts, develop applications, and run tests in a simulated environment. And coming to the MetaMask, in this project, we also have used MetaMask. It is a cryptocurrency wallet and a gateway to blockchain apps, which facilitates efficient development and user engagement. So, this is all about the project. Moving on, to implement this project, we need software and hardware requirements. So coming to the software requirements, we need Python ideally of 3.7.0 version, Node.js, Visual Studio Community version, Ganache, MetaMask, which is the Chrome extension. And coming to the backend languages used, we need Python, JavaScript, Solidity. And hardware requirements are processor of i5 and above, RAM of 8 GB and above, and ROM of 20 GB and above. And front-end languages are HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap 4. And the framework uses Django. So now let's execute the project. To execute, we need to open the code folder which contains source code files. So open the code folder. So these are the source code files in the code folder of a project. Let's understand each of them. How will they be used in the project? So first, let's explore the dataset folder. Open that. Here there are two files. One is disaster tweets and the other one is test tweet. So open this disaster tweets. So this is the data used to train the NLP and ML models to detect the disaster. So these are some of the tweets that we have used it for training. And here in the last column, we have the target column. So here we have 1 and 0. So here we can observe there is 1 and 0. 1 means there is a disaster detected based on the tweet. And 0 means there is no disaster detected based on the tweet. So we use all the tweets to train the model. So now close this. Get back to the code folder. Here, the other file we have is test tweet. So open this. So these are the some of the tweets which are used for as a test cases to test them in the front end. So now close this. Get back to the code folder. Get back. Moving to the event folder, inside this folder, there are Python code files that will be intended to be dynamically loaded into the project code during runtime. And here we have event app folder. So this folder comprises of three folders. One is static, templates, and Python code files. So coming to static folder, it contains files related to CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. So these files, they contribute to the visual and interactive aspects of the application. Coming to the templates folder, we will find all the HTML pages used throughout the project. And they include index.html, home.html, and more, representing various sections of the website. Coming to the Python code files, those files will be executed during the running time of the application, which supports its functionality. And here we have the model folder. This folder contains .h5 files, pickle files, etc. So these files, they contain the algorithm information and they'll be loaded into the project code during runtime. And this is the database file. And this is the Solidity code. It handles data structures, functions, and events with modifiers for validation. And this is the manage.py file. It is a command line utility that comes with the Django, and it provides various commands for managing Django projects, including tasks like running the development server, creating the database tables, applying migrations, and more. And here we have run.bat file. Instead of executing the project through command line interface, we have created this Windows bat file. To execute, we have to double click on it to start the Django application. So now we will start executing the project. Start the project, we need to host a server. For that, I'm opening the Ganache to host the blockchain server. So open the Ganache, select the workspace, server is hosted. Now get back to the code folder. Now double click on this run.bat file so that Django framework will host the application. So double click on it. So here we can observe that manage.py file is compiled and the Django framework, it will host the application locally at the default address, which will be the local host and the port unless configured differently. So this is the local host and this is the port. Now we have to copy this local link provided by the framework and paste it in any web browser. So I'm copying the link. I prefer Google Chrome, so I'll paste it in that. Paste the link here and now click on enter. So before clicking on enter, type index.html and now click on enter. So this is the web page of the project, which is displayed in the browser. And this web page is developed using Django framework. So to use this application, any user first they have to sign up and then get registered. After registration, they can use this application by clicking on the user login here link. So first we will sign up as a user. So click on new user sign up here link and provide all the details. So the username would be John. Give the password. Give the contact number. Give the email ID. Give the address. And now click on register. So the sign up process of the user is completed and record is saved in the blockchain. Now we will see how this record is saved in the blockchain. For that, open Ganache, click on blocks. So here we can observe that there are total 12 different blocks created and the recent block is block number 12. That is the data which has John details in it. So now if you open the block 12, here we have block hash, transaction hash, and if we click on transaction hash, we get sender address, to contract address, gas used, gas price, gas limit, and transaction data of block 12. Similarly, we will have this information for all the other blocks. And by using these blocks, we can retrieve the information. Now get back to the application. Now we will see the deductions of the ETH price with the recent transaction. For that, we have to open the MetaMask, which is the Chrome extension. So open the MetaMask. So here we can observe that I have 99.997 of the ETH in my MetaMask wallet. And this represents the deducted amount after the recent transaction which we have made. So in the context of blockchain transaction, it refers to the actions or the operations that are recorded on the blockchain ledger. So now get back to the application. Now we will log in as the user John. So click on user login here link. Provide the username and the password. Now click on Login. So here we can observe that the user has logged in successfully. And here he can perform various actions, that is, he can train the ML and DL algorithms, he can compare the graphs, he can do the event detection, he can view the tweets, and he can log out. So first we need to train the ML and DL algorithms, that is, click on Train ML and DL algorithms. So here we can observe that total these algorithms are trained. One is naive Bayes, K nearest neighbor, SVM, logistic regression, decision tree, random forest, XGBoost, deep learning. And here are their accuracies. So in this column, we have accuracies. So among all the algorithms, deep learning model has achieved the highest accuracy. And here are the precision, recall, and FN scores. So all these are the error metrics which are used to evaluate all these algorithms. Now scroll up. Now we will see the comparison graphs of all these models. So click on this comparison graph. So here we got the comparison graphs. Here on x-axis we have all the algorithm names, and on y-axis we have scores. In this graph, blue color represents the accuracy, orange is FN score, green is precision, red is recall. So here we can observe that deep learning model is performing well. Now scroll up. Now we will do the event detection. For that, click on blockchain based event detection. Here we can see a text box wherein we need to give the tweet, then we will get the detection. So we have tweets in my code folder. So open the dataset folder. We have test tweets in this test tweet file. So open that. So copy the first tweet that we have, get back to the application, paste it here. Now click on submit. So here we got the detection as the post is classified as normal event. It means that normal event is detected. Now let us try with the other tweet. Copy the second tweet, get back to the application, post it here, and now click on submit. And here we got the detection as disaster event is detected based on the uploaded tweet. Now let us give one more tweet, copy it, get back to the application, post it here, now click on submit. And for the given tweet here, we got the prediction as disaster event detected. Now let us upload one more tweet, get back to the file, copy this, get back to the application, paste it here, and now click on submit. So based on the provided tweet, it has classified as normal event detected. Let us try using some more tweets. Copy this, get back to the application, paste it here, now click on submit. And here we got the classification as normal event detected based on the posted tweet. Let us try using one more tweet, copy it, get back to the application, paste it here. So here we got the classification as disaster event detected. So in this way, we can post tweets and get the predictions using this application. Now click on view tweets to see all the tweets which are uploaded. So click on that. So here we can observe that the username. So these are the usernames who have uploaded the tweets. So these are the tweets which were uploaded, which were posted. And here we can see the posted date. Here we can see the classification of that tweet. That is a detected event. So here we have these tweets which we have posted. These are the other users, and here these are the users which we have recently posted. Now click on logout. By this, project has automated the event detection for the emergency relief teams, which enables the timely responses and efficient resource allocation during disasters. And social media users, they can contribute relevant information securely, which is stored on the decentralized blockchain platform. And researchers and developers, they will be benefited from this project's contribution to the advancements in the natural language processing and machine learning, and also blockchain integration, which provided valuable insights for the similar applications.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Project's YouTube channel and subscribe.